In real estate investing, rental rates are constantly increasing, but some properties have faster increasing rents than others. But is it a factor of the renovations that are done on a property that increase its rent potential, or is it just market forces? If it is about renovations and features, which ones? Let's take a look. The top 3 reasons that rental rates increase are neighborhood improvements, economic growth, and property improvements. The first 2, neighborhood improvements and economic growth, are external factors, those that you have no real control of. But property improvements, you do. People often misprice rentals because they see what comparable properties are renting for down the street and simply match those. While that can be a good proxy for pricing in our external factors, it doesn't address our internal factor. What does the property actually look like on the inside? If you've ever been apartment or house hunting, you know that pictures can really sell you on a property. But pictures of what, you may ask? Often appliances, paint colors, and countertops can be make or break when it comes to getting top dollar for rent. In order to attract and often more importantly keep long-term tenants, it's important to keep your property updated with features that the market demands. So which property features do we want to improve? In order to renovate or improve features of your property, you'll want to start out with a game plan. You can't just open up the checkbook and begin making upgrades. It's important to make a budget and know exactly how much you're willing to spend and how much those expenditures will increase your rents. The most profitable rental renovation projects you can do are, starting out, let's do the kitchen. The cheapest and most effective way to renovate a kitchen is to paint older cabinets with a modern color and upgrade the hardware. This will cost you anywhere from $200 to $600 and improves rental value by around $100 to $200 per month. This means you'll have all your money back within 1 year, and the improvement will generate you more cash in the future. If you want to spend more money, consider taking down a wall and opening up the kitchen floor plan. To avoid mistakes in this renovation type, do not buy new cabinets, especially custom ones. Custom cabinets are crazy expensive because everyone's kitchen configuration is different. Profitable renovation number 2, flooring. Replace old carpet or laminate flooring with luxury vinyl planking, or LVP. LVP is scratch resistant and can look indistinguishable from hardwood floors. Do not go for the cheap stuff or replace carpet with more carpet or laminate flooring. It will only last you a few years and you'll have to replace it again. New luxury vinyl planking will cost you around $2 a square foot depending on your area and will increase your rents around $20 to $60 per month. Not to mention, it will save you from having to replace more flooring in the future, so the return on investment is quite good in the long run. Profitable renovation number 3, bathrooms. Bathrooms are a great renovation investment because people spend a lot of time in the bathroom and they want somewhere that appears clean and nice because after all, they want to be clean and nice as well when going to the bathroom. The best bathroom renovations can be lighting, tile glazing instead of retiling, or a new toilet or vanity. Make sure to avoid retiling completely because it's so expensive, and simply glaze the existing tile with acrylic to save time and money. Also, if you're upgrading lighting, use retrofitted adapters rather than hiring an electrician to completely rewire the bathroom. A renovated bathroom can increase your rents around $50 to $75 per month per bathroom. As a general note, make sure to match the market with your renovations. Don't do a cheap renovation in a luxury market. Also, do not put in extremely expensive marble countertops in a low rent neighborhood. There's never been a better time to invest in real estate, especially in the areas where we've identified as high cash flow and appreciation opportunities, such as Kansas City, Missouri, and Cape Coral, Florida. If you want to invest in real estate in the easiest way possible, use the link in the description below to schedule a call with one of our investment counselors. Together, we'll be renting to retirement in no time. And as always, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching the Rent to Retirement YouTube channel. Check out some of our other videos, like this one, or this one here.